Yeah, g'day. I just put this new shock on, a DNM shock, air shock, adjustable preload and rebound. It's only the single chamber air chamber shock, but honestly the coil shock that was on it was like a pogo stick. Anyway, I'll just show you what I've done there. This is the board. That's for the Copeland gun racks, or gun boots. And I've got motocross tyres on it because of the burrs we have. But this is the shock. So easy to install. I better just grab that cap. I just grabbed this cap. I forgot to put it back on the air stem. We pump the air into the shock. They come pre-loaded with air, which is handy if you haven't got a pump when you receive it. Righto, so that's the air there to put your air in, and this is your preload. So fast, medium, and slow. So I'm trying to do this one-handed. So that's slow, then medium, and fast. I'll have it over on slow, and then that one there's your dial. I just dialed that percenter between your rebound clickers. So if you look in there, I hope you can see up in there. Too much light coming above it. But sorry about that. I can't sort of just scope you in here, there like that. Hope you can see. But it was so simple to install. It's also got your adjustment or travel ring, so you can work out where it's travel. I probably put let a little bit too much air out, but I've got a pump coming so I can adjust the air pressure. But yeah, it's really like it's so much better than the spring. I don't know whether I can video this. I'll try. Just give me a tick. I'll throw my leg over the beast. But that's pretty stiff. That's medium. And that's soft. And then you got your clickers here. And you click that for adjustment, but I won't redo that again because I don't have to go through it all over again. But you get the deal, you know how to adjust it. They don't come with any instructions, but there's heaps of videos online about preload and so forth for your shocks. But that's night and day, absolutely night and day over the factory shock. The forks are not too bad really. They're not air dampened, but yeah, I've ridden postie bikes and some of those have been worse than this one. So yeah, it's come on for right this. It's come on for right this. Just welded up a bit of a rack and bolted on, and dual batteries, dual motors, front or back and front. A good headlight. I'm very impressed so far. Time will tell how good it is. But it's going to be used primarily for hunting or eradicating pigs and feral deer. Anyway, I'll leave you with it. I'm not much of a YouTuber, but I'll be doing some real live tests on this bike, some rides, and I'll be bringing them up on YouTube with some action out in the paddocks and shooting and rooting electrocute and everything. So stay tuned, eh? Catch us out there.